In an abandoned warehouse. Rain lashes against broken windows. Detective Mara steps inside, flashlight trembling. A shadow darts across the rafters. I know you're here. You should have stayed away. The beam of light catches a blood-red symbol scrawled on the wall. Forest clearing. The air shimmers with magic. Ilara, a young mage, raises her staff. By the flame of dawn, reveal the hidden path. The trees bend, revealing a glowing archway. A dragon's eye peers through, unblinking. Reframing negative thoughts. Imagine your mind as a stage. Every thought is an actor. You choose who gets the spotlight. Write down one recurring negative thought. Now rewrite it as a positive possibility. Kona Shore. Kanaloa, a fisherman, casts his net. Kanaloa. Ua ola loko ike aloha. His daughter Leilani watches the horizon. Leilani. Father, the Ali'i summons us. Drums echo from the valley, carrying the weight of history. Taipei Market, 1895. Merchants shout in Hokkien and Japanese. A young scholar, Li Wen, clutches his journal. Li Wen. The island changes with every sunrise. He notes the banners of a new government unfurling. The scent of tea leaves mingles with gunpowder. Introduction to Inclusive Education. Equity in the Classroom. Welcome! In this module, you'll learn 3 strategies for supporting diverse learners. Watch the case study video. How would you adapt the lesson for a student with visual needs?